want to say CMTI is the best training institute for civil engineers, where the people looking for placements and construction knowledge, interior knowledge. I recommend them to join here.
So hi Vidyadhar.
Hello, hello,
How are you,
ma'am.
ma'am?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you?
Yes, I'm good Vidyadhar. So this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. So before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
So can you introduce about yourself, your earlier studies, hometown, and presently what you are doing?
Okay, ma'am. My name is Vidyadhar. I am from Shimoga, where I completed my BE from JNNC Shimoga. I opted the CSM course from CMTI, where from this CMTI CSM course, I got to know about knowledge about construction and also about interior. So one of my senior recommended me about CMTI.
So you had taken the course, certified course on construction management, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
what and all you learned in that?
Ma'am, I took CSM course where we visited various sites like police command center, interior showrooms like Design Cafe, Homeline, IKEA. From the site visit, we can learn about the various knowledge about construction and as well as the interior, what materials they are used. Like that, uh, we can gain knowledge from this site visits. And also classes were taken. From this, we can also learn about various types of methods that is used in construction as well as interior. That's all.
How was your trainers and all?
My trainers are very good. They taught me very well in both interior and construction. Where in construction, Natarajan sir took classes and he taught about bar bending schedule and about construction. And Ishaq sir took interior classes where we learned about the materials used in the interior houses, buildings. That's all. And also we are learning cut list, SketchUp, AutoCAD. Where these are some of the softwares we also learned here.
So yeah, Vidyadhar, what about Ashok sir and all? How was his guidance?
Ashok sir guidance is very well, where he gives ideas about the how to crack interviews and how there will be in construction sites how we have to uh, gain knowledge like this. He taught us very well.
So what about staffs of CMTI? How was their coordinations?
All staff members are very good and they are very helping in nature. If we ask something, they will provide everything like materials. About what we will ask, they will provide. Overall, all are good according to me.
So what about CMTI app and all? How did that help you?
From CMT app, we can access the various courses out of the syllabus. Different syllabus are introduced in that app. We can gain knowledge from that. And also, if we miss the class, we can also see from the online videos and we can learn from the CMT app.
Okay, so finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
I want to say CMTI is the best training institute for civil engineers, where the people looking for placements and construction knowledge, interior knowledge. I recommend them to join here.
So thank you, Vidyadhar. Thank you so much for your feedback. Sure, all the best for your upcoming days and congratulations once again for your placements.
Thank
Okay,
you, ma'am.
thank you, Vidyadhar.
Thank you.